Okay, we got him some Cheerios. Now he's a happy boy. Huh? Eat your Cheerios. Say yay! Say yay, those are good Cheerios. And there's Natalie. How old are you, Natalie? You want 2 Cheerios?
Mm-hmm.
How old are you, Natalie? How old is that? How many is that?
No.
Count. 1, 2. What's the last one?
3.
3? You're 3 years old?
Mm-hmm.
You are so big. What are some things that you like to do, Natalie?
I like playing toys.
Like playing with toys, and what else?
Play Brody.
You like to play with Brody?
I like play Baby Matthew.
Do you like to read books?
Yeah.
What kind of books do you like to read?
Happy day. No happy.
You're not happy today?
Yeah.
Why?
I'm not happy day. I'm not happy day. I'm happy.
Oh, so drama?
Why did Stacy's mad? Baby.
Did you play with your friends today?
Yeah.
Who did you play with?
Brody.
No, you didn't play with Brody today. Who did you play with?
Bella.
Who?
Bella.
Isabella?
Yeah.
No, you didn't.
Hey.
What about Finley? Or Mia?
No.
Or Quinn?
Yeah.
Played with Quinn today?
Yeah. Help me.
Oh no, did you say please don't hit me?
No. She said help me.
Oh.
I didn't hit her.
Matthew, is that good cereal?
No.
Matthew, is that good cereal? Is that numbers? You're feeding the dog, huh? Hey, Daisy. Come here, Daisy. Hey, puppy. Hi, puppy. Good cereal. Sit. Daisy, over here. Daisy, come here. Over here. Over here, ready? Sit. No, no. Here. Put it on your nose. Ready? Good girl. What do you think, Matthew? Is that funny? Mama loves you. Mama loves you. Oh, Daddy's home.